In this video, we are going to talk about how you can make some dollars very fast with the help of the internet. Okay, you don't need any technical skills for this strategy. You don't need to spend a dime on this method. Okay, no technical skills, no software, nothing. And the strategy is very simple. You just need to find people who are ready to pay you to remove the background images. Okay, by making the background removing the background is easy and free, and finding that clients is also very easy and for free. So if you are a complete beginner, this video is totally for you. I want you to don't skip any part of the video, because you will miss out some important things which I'm going to share with you guys, and at the end of the video you just walk away. I don't want you to do that. So hang on with me for the few minutes and let me show you by step. First thing, let me show you how you can remove the background. Okay, what you have to do is come to Google and type in remove.bg, and you land on this website. What remove.bg is, it will remove your background for totally for free. As you can see here, remove image background for free 100% automatically in 5 minutes. Yes, it literally takes 5 minutes or less than that, on based on your internet speed. It will remove the background for you. For other people, they will go to Photoshop, they'll do clicks here and there, and then most people need to get trained to do that. With this remove.bg, you can do it for free, and then no technical skills. Okay, for you just need the skills to type in remove.bg to land on this website. That's it. So either you can select a video or you can enter the URL of the video. Now I have selected a video, and as you can see here, this is my original image. I have a grassy background here, and after I have removed the background, as you can see, image without background, this is the thing. I can download it, and that's it. In single click I will remove the background. Okay, and it's the most important thing is 100% free for you. Now here is the important thing: how will you find your people who will likely to pay you to do this simple job? Okay, even a kid can do this. Now I have two methods, actually two websites, by which you can get free clients who will pay you to do this. Okay, the first one is Instagram. Okay, and Instagram, I want you to search hashtags related to entrepreneurs. Why entrepreneurs? Because those are the laser targeted people who will are ready to pay you to remove the background images. Okay, now I will show you an entrepreneur account in a few seconds. And the main two things are, they have the money. Okay, and then they earn so much that they are ready to pay you what the amount you ask. Okay, in starting it may be $2-3, and as time on you can increase that. Okay, they will never say no to you because they have the money. Okay, they don't need to go and do that stuff for that they have the money. Okay, they are ready to hire people. Okay, I think it brings where you understand, you get the point. Okay, they have the money. Okay, they don't need to go and work for this like things, right? Like clicking here and there. If they have the money, they pay for it, and that's it. It's very easy. If I had money, I do the same, because I don't want to go to remove.bg and click on la 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 la, and I just hire someone to do that, and I'll pay him the money. Okay, because I have so much money. Okay, that's, I think it makes sense to you. Now here is the thing: search for hashtags related to entrepreneurs, and you can find entrepreneurs. Okay, like this one and this one is 2. I will recommend you to find someone who is not too popular. Okay, rather I want you to target people who have just started and seen success. Okay, they are most likely to hire you as a person to remove the background for them. Now like I said, I will show you an entrepreneur page. His name is Kevin David. As you can see here, like this one. Okay, the entrepreneurs have like these images very often. Okay, this one and this is 2. As you can see here, this is the image, the background is removed, and you want even further, you can add this text as well. And there's a free website, you can do it for free. Its name is canva.com. And if you want to get into deep into it, I have made a video on how to make a $100 from Instagram. I'll leave a video in the card. Have a look after this video, and if you are serious about it, you will be watching that video and getting the ideas of how you can get $100 from Instagram. So have a look at that. Number one is Instagram. What you have to do, search for entrepreneurs hashtags, and then find entrepreneurs and contact them and have the pictures to remove the background. And the second thing is Amazon. Okay, what I want, Amazon, there are thousands of sellers, there are thousands of products. They almost every product has a white background. Okay, why is that? I don't know behind the reason about that. Maybe it gives an attractive look of the product. I don't know that, but almost every product has a white background. Okay, they need a people, they want to hire people because all not all knows how to remove background. Okay, big sellers are ready to hire people, and here's the thing, you come in, you can remove the background images for them. Okay, like I said, as you can see here, okay, all the images are have a white background. Okay, you just need to remove background, and that's it, you get paid for it. Now if you contact the sellers directly, they are most likely they will not accept your offer. What rather, I want you to come to a website called fiverr.com. For people who don't know what fiverr.com is, fiverr.com is a platform where people will hire people from that website who has placed and bid in that website, and then the fiverr.com does simple things as data entry jobs, and then they provide expert things as SEO, digital marketing, stuff like that. As you can see, the search volume here 18 lakhs and 30,000. So fiverr.com is search on Google 18 lakhs and 30,000 searches per month. Now why I showed that number, I will share with you in a few minutes. Okay, just click on the first link and you land on the website, and then just type in remove background. Like I said, it's 100% free to create an account in fiverr.com. As you can see here, I will change or remove image background. He charges $5, this one 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Almost on average everyone is charging $5. So you need to create a free account and then place a bid. What is a bid? It's just an image and you have some wordings here and your price. And if you are serious about fiverr.com, I have made my video on the same as well. I will leave a video in the card, just go and watch it to get a full idea on fiverr.com. Okay, now with 18 lakhs and 30,000 searches per month, there are high traffic to this website. Okay, if you have a bid over here, you get a free traffic to earn the clients. Okay, and they are most likely they will pay you, because fiverr.com, as you can see, the 18 lakhs and 30,000 searches. Now people are not going searching for a website which has a poor or to say a fake one. Okay, if fiverr.com is a legit one, many people I have seen who have earned from fiverr.com, and you can too be in that list. Okay, here's the thing, number one is hashtags in Instagram, and then fiverr.com. Now here is the most important thing, how you contact those your clients. Okay, you have in this they will request you on how to bargain or something. In Instagram, you need to go and ask them personally about hey, I will remove images, background images for you, and I can add some wordings to you as well, so that you can post in your something blah blah blah. What the main thing is we need to focus on is attracting, and say that you need to make the client say yes for you, and that's the thing. Now here is the another most important thing, don't be the 99% of the people who just watch the video and leave. This video is fully packed with value. Okay, be the 1% of the people who goes and takes action. Okay, I want you to take action. Don't be the people who is lazy. As soon as I complete the video, they may be thinking, okay, it's very hard. It's easy that I can remove the background images. Okay, I can do it, but I cannot have contact with the clients and get them convinced so that they give photos for me so that I can remove the background. Okay, don't be that. Unless you try, you never know that you can do it. Okay, just give it a try. Implementation is the key to success. Okay, each and everything, if you think you cannot do, then you cannot do. Okay, if you think this is the words from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, which I learned. Okay, if you when you find things, okay, you just need to think, how can I do it? So your brain starts to work and find new ways. Okay, if in the beginning itself you said I cannot do it, then your mind doesn't work. Okay, and you stay in the same status of your financial level as it was before. Unless you put your mind in work, you change your life. So I hope this video brought value to you. If you have smashed that like button, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, Mr. Influencer is all about how you can make a living from your home, quit your job, and living your life for freedom. So if you are that person, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the notification bells, so that you can notified whenever we drop a brand new idea just like this one. So if you're serious about this, go and watch the video on Instagram and fiverr.com as well, and see you in the next one.